And now let's see the part 4. It's very interesting about the equation sums. You should have some more attention and focus. And this is about statistics in psychology. It's very short and easy notes we have. It's very perfect for the last minute revision plus previous year question coverage also will be here. The first is measures of central tendency. How we can measure. Let us tell us where the center or average of the data lies. That is called mean. Okay, that's central tendency. Mean, like middle. Okay, arithmetic average. The most commonly used method is using affected by extreme values or outliers. The mean is very interesting. And the formula for this is like mean is equal to the total sum divided by the number of how much number it have. And next second one is median, the middle value when data is arranged in order. So if numbers are there, we'll arrange in easy order and we'll write the middle one. It's not affected by outliers. It's best for skewed distributors. And the third is mode. And the median is very easy to find actually. Mean is little easy and mode is little difficult. Most frequent value, we'll write everything together, which is coming again and again, mostly asked. That is actually the mode here, useful for qualitative data, for example religion, gender, and can have more than one model. Sometimes some numbers will be more mostly asked. Second is measures of dispersion. So what the measures here is, it tells that how spread out the scores are, like how the spreads will be arranged. In the range is equal to maximum minus minimum. This is the equation we see here. Range is equal to maximum minus minimum. Most, for example, 40 to 20 or 80. 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 is the answer. The variance is sigma raised to 2 minus the sum x minus x raised to 2 divided by n. This equation. The standard deviation is the sums separately. I will explain later. Don't worry. SD is standard deviation. That means is equal to squared in the bracket divided by variance. Used in all major statistical tests. Quartile deviation. Okay, this quartile is very important. QD. This is equal to the fraction Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. What is normal probability curve? NPC. Okay, normal probability curve. A perfectly symmetrical or bell-shaped distribution. The key characteristics are like mean, median, mode. The skewness will be 0. Kurtosis 0. Kurtosis. Most psychological traits follow NPC. And the important thing is that 868 minus 95 minus 99 rule. 68 of the scores lie within plus or minus 1 SD, 95% within plus or minus 2 SD, and 99.7 within plus or minus 3 SD. This is called the skewness. Okay. Let's see what is skewness. It talks about positive skew, long tail on right. That's mean raised to median. Negative skew means long tail on left, mean less than median. Fourth is parametric versus non-parametric test. Parametric test. Let's see what is parametric test. And these are used when data is at interval level or ratio level. Data is normally distributed. The sample size is always large. Next, let's see about t-test. Very interesting. It's used to compare means. When you're comparing with the means, we'll use t-test. And this is independent t-test. This t-test is used to compare means, independent t-test, paired t-test, and one sample t-test, like two different groups, same group measured twice. Sample means with a non-value. The formula is conceptual, like t is equal to this difference between means and standard error. Non-parametric tests also are there. And they are used when data is ordinal or not normally distributed. Like, for example, it may be small sample size. It violates parametric assumptions. The first is sign test. This is only signs like plus or minus, all those things. And even compares paired samples. Okay. And very simple, very low power, these things happens here. And even Wilkerson's find rank test is also there. It's paired samples. Okay. And next is about uses magnitude plus sign, a non-parametric equivalent of paired t-test. The Mann-Whitney U-test for independent groups, a non-parametric equivalent or independent t-test. The fourth is crucial Wallis test. See how many types? Many types of tests are there. If more than two independent groups, we will use this crucial Wallis test, equivalent of one-way ANOVA. Fifth is something interesting. Friedman test is like fried chips. Repeated measures for 3 or more conditions. A non-parametric repeated measures, ANOVA. The effect size tells how strong or meaningful the set is beyond p-value. Cohen's D most used. D is equal to fracture m minus m1 minus m2 divided by st pooled. 0.2 small effect, 0.5 medium effect, 0.8 large effect. Why it's important? Helps understand real importance required in APA. Report APA means, you know, right? American Psychology Association. You can comment it if you know. Sixth is power analysis. Statistical power is equal to probability of correctly rejecting a false null hypothesis. Power is equal to 1 minus theta type 2 error. Power depends on sample size, then rise to power. Effect size is equal to power rise. Alpha level 0.5 usually. Less error, more power. Ideal power is equal to 0.80, like 80%. Exam focus summary super short. Mean average, SD spread, normal curve, 68 on rule, t-test compass, means parametric, and Whitney non-parametric, crucial Wallis two groups, Friedman repeater measures, effort size strength of relationship, power, chance of detecting true effect, and power rise when sample size rising, power also will rise. And thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.